Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says a plane EM wave traveling along z direction is described by E is equal to E0 sine kz minus omega t I cap and B is equal to B0 sine kz minus omega t j cap. Then the average energy density of the wave is given by U average is equal to 1 by 4 epsilon 0 E0 square plus 1 by 4 B0 square by mu 0, and the time, option B, the time averaged intensity of the wave is given by I average is equal to half C epsilon 0 E0 square. Option C both A and B, and option D none of this. तो यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं एनर्जी डेंसिटी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E, जिसको हम QE से लिखेंगे. QE is equal to half epsilon 0 E square, and the energy density due to the magnetic field B is, जिसको हम UB से लिखेंगे, UB is equal to half B square by mu 0. So the total energy density of wave will be half epsilon 0 E square plus half B square by mu 0. Now QE average will be 1 by T 0 to T Q epsilon dt is equal to 1 by T 0 to T half epsilon 0 E square. तो ये आ जाएगा epsilon 0 by 2T 0 to T E0 square sin square kx minus omega t dt, that is epsilon 0 by 2T E0 square into T by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 epsilon 0 E0 square. यहाँ पर जो साइन लिमिट 0 to T साइन स्क्वायर kx माइनस ओमेगा t dt, इसका वैल्यू निकल के आया था t by 2, उसी को हमने इस इक्वेशन में पुट किया है. Now similarly we can write UB average is equal to 1 by 4 B0 square by mu 0. So we can write U average is equal to 1 by 4 epsilon 0 E0 square plus 1 by 4 B0 square by mu 0. Now E को हम लिख सकते हैं E is equal to C B0 and C is equal to 1 by root over mu 0 epsilon 0. So we can write 1 by 4 B0 square by mu 0 is equal to 1 by 4 E0 square by C square by mu 0 is equal to E0 square by 4 mu 0 into mu 0 epsilon 0. तो ये आ जाएगा 1/4 epsilon 0 E0 square. Now we can write U average is equal to 1/4 epsilon 0 E0 square plus 1/4 B0 square by mu 0. तो ये आ जाएगा 1/4 epsilon 0 E0 square plus 1/4 epsilon 0 E0 square, क्योंकि अभी हमने 1/4 B0 square by mu 0 का वैल्यू निकाला है. तो ये आ जाएगा 1/2 epsilon 0 E0 square, that is half B0 square by mu 0. Now time averaged intensity will be I average is equal to Q average C. तो ये हो जाएगा half C epsilon 0 E0 square, जो कि हमारे क्वेश्चन का जो ऑप्शन C है उससे मैच कर रहा है, as both A and B are correct. So here option C will be our correct answer. Hope you all understood it well. All the best. Thank you.